Welcome to my channel Dyltri Cuisine. In this video I'll be showing you how to make instant dhokla. Firstly, in a bowl, add in the rawa, the soji, then add the chana flour, add the turmeric, cumin seeds, and then add the salt to taste. Mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly. Now add in the ginger and chilli, add in the lemon juice, and then add in the yogurt and the oil. Start to mix all the ingredients together. Add water a little at a time and mix this through into the mixture. Mix your batter until it's lump free. Ensure the batter is at the right consistency, not too thin and not too thick. Now add in the eno, the fruit salt, and mix this in vigorously. The mixture will start to become fluffy. Lightly grease the tray and now pour in the batter into the tray. Sprinkle on some sesame seeds on top. In a steam vessel, boil some water and place the tray on top. Cover with the lid and let this cook on high heat for 20 minutes. Now for the tadka, add oil to a small pan, let that heat, then add the mustard seeds. Let that pop, then add the cumin seeds and asafoetida and turn off the heat. After 20 minutes, remove the dhokla tray from the steam vessel and let that cool down. Once this is cooled down, run the knife around the edge of the tray and cut the dhokla into pieces. Now pour the tadka on top of the dhokla and spread evenly. Your dhokla is now ready. Remove the pieces from the tray and serve with a chutney of your choice. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.